Welcome back to Stay Tuned September Sushi Crawl presented by Sushi Geeks. I'm here with my big cousin, one of my inspirations, my partner Neil, Don't do that. Shad, mother, visionary. Do the day show.
What's good, y'all? What's good? Glad to be here, man.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. And this is your first time trying sushi.
My very first time.
Why is that? It's just never appealing or what?
It never was appealing. Honestly, I don't like cold foods.
Oh.
But I'm willing, I'm on a journey of just trying stuff out, so I'm with it.
I usually do 3 rolls at places. And today I got, this extravagant, god damn. This is from Rock Sushi in Arlington, VA.
I did hear about that place.
So this is like the place to get, supposedly this is top of the line.
That's what I heard.
The sticky finger roll is this one. And that's sweet barbecue eel, cucumber, Asian pear, avocado, and eel sauce.
Okay, that sounds good.
The tornado roll is yellowtail, snapper, jalapeno, cream cheese. I'm gonna be light on that. I can't fucking stand cream cheese. Deep fried.
Yeah, you lost me on the cream cheese,
yeah,
man.
Deep fried with sweet Mino. Hold up, what? Deep fried and baked with sweet Mino sauce. I don't know what that is. I was expecting like a deep. Oh, they're saying the whole roll is deep fried. Okay. Oh, okay. That sounds like cholesterol. You know how to use these?
No, I don't.
All right, let me get a photo. Yeah, this is what we talk. All right. So look. So I rate them on 4 categories.
Okay.
Saltiness, appearance, uniqueness, and overall like freshness / taste. And I always do people's California roll, which is just crab stick, avocado, and rice. Like, it's very simple. This is like the beginner, the hamburger of sushi.
I should try this first.
Exactly, definitely start with this. But uniqueness, I gotta be honest, overall I gotta give them a 5 out of 5. I ain't seen nobody deep fry a whole damn sushi. But I don't even know how you do that. Like, how did they get the shell on the outside? Actually. So go ahead, bro. You gotta try it.
Okay. Oh man, wish me luck, yo.
What you think?
Not bad.
Oh yeah, I ain't saying in the beginning. This place already lost some points for this bullshit. So ginger, what you do is, ginger really like a palate cleanser. So what you do is like between rolls, you have a little bit of ginger. That'll reset you. So the fact they package this shit up like some ketchup, it's very not gangster. I'm not a fan of that. Oh, look at the soy sauce.
That wasn't bad.
What was you expecting? Cause everybody else I did these joints with, they had sushi before. What were you expecting?
Honestly, I don't know, to be honest. Like I said, I don't like cold food. I don't like salad. So
Damn.
I was expecting it to be like a salad to where it didn't really have no taste for real. But this actually had flavor and taste. I should have known because it has rice and other stuff in it. So
Yeah.
that's actually all right.
That's fair. All right. Which one next?
I'm gonna go with the deep fried one.
All right, the tornado roll. It's a lot. I will say this. As much as I hate cream cheese, I don't really taste it.
Me either. I actually like this one better than that.
For real?
It got more flavor. That's probably why. And the sauce.
I gotta get an overall taste and flavor 5 out of 5. That's fire. But I wanted to be a little more salty.
Yeah, it was not salty for real.
There's one spot in Boston that had like an everything bagel.
Oh wow.
And it was like straight like cream cheese, lox, this little everything seasoning. I think it was some bread up in there.
That sounds good.
No, it's disgusting. The cream cheese, I'm sorry. It was up until the cream cheese, I was with it. I couldn't do that. And the last one is the sticky fingers roll. So I ain't never had barbecue on a sushi roll before, so 5 out of 5 on uniqueness. They ain't really do nothing crazy. I ain't gonna lie, like, this is actually a pretty common roll with the eel on top, but the barbecue and the Japanese pear, 5 out of 5 on the freshness. Brooklyn, thought you might
Very
slipping.
Dang, this is different. I ain't gonna. This is an experience, yo.
You gotta go for it.
You said that was avocado in there?
Huh? Avocado and Asian pear.
It's good. Avocado was really good.
That's fire.
It made it.
That's fire. 5 out of 5 on this sauce. That's one of the best rolls I had all month.
I like this one. I think I like.
Each one. I pull out a fourth one. I see a pattern here. Hold on.
The last one might have did it.
You think that's the best one?
Yeah.
It's crazy. Like I said, like I did it with a friend of mine, and she was like, "Yo, try Sushi Rock. Like she's like, that's like the best one around here." So obviously, if you heard of it, you never even had sushi before. They gotta be doing something right.
Yeah. This is a great experience, man. I appreciate you.
Of course, bro. Of course, man. Yeah.
We try another one of these.
Thank you. I did all 3. I got one in Maryland. I got one in DC today. Spoiler alert. This is the same damn day I'm eating sushi twice. Yeah, and I'm trying this one. But another episode of Stay Tuned September Sushi Crawl. His tag would definitely be below. Follow my cousin, you know what I mean?
Chad Visionaire.
Chad Visionaire.
Catch me on all platforms.
You know what I mean? A lot of dope content coming up.
Thank you.
And if you in DC or Southern Maryland, definitely take your ass over that bridge to Arlington, VA. Holla at Sushi Rock, like I said. The volcano roll and the tornado roll. Sweet eel, barbecue and Asian pear in one. Cream cheese, onions, and all sorts of types of other stuff. Snapper and yellowtail and deep fried shit in the other. And they California roll good too. This man on the Eat Sushi, he signed off on it. Y'all be cool like y'all be cool.